father are from that village, and my mother is we call it Volksdeutscher. She is her father is from Bayern in Germany, and her mother is from Herzegovina. So it was normal for me to hear from yodeling to those kind of singing. Everything was available, you know.
So, but as a child, were you irritated by that music, or did you always find it interesting?
Oh, I always found it interesting. It's something completely different. That was, and I was always, I don't know, addicted to the sound, you know, because I'm blind. So it was very important for me from earliest days of my life. From when I remember myself, I know that I was addicted to the sound. I needed sound. I was. It was.
Well, it's such an
important part of my. Yeah. That's it, and that's the reason why I'm a musician. That's the reason. No one in my family is isn't even good singer.
Really,
no?
But they did have those traditions. And
Yeah.
So that was part of the family.
Yeah,
Communication in a way. Yeah. It's so interesting. Well, I'm so glad that you are blind. That you've actually focused on that.
I wouldn't change with anyone. No. Even
I have that feeling from you.
if someone offers me to see now, I wouldn't accept that. Because I will need lots of time to rehabilitate to that situation, you know. And I don't need that. I really don't need it.
You've more than compensated by your hearing and singing.
And I have really full life, you know. I was, for example, 2 times in Canada, 1 time in America. I went through all of the Europe. I was in all parts of Croatia, Bosnia, Herzegovina.
Singing?
Singing, playing, whatever. As a musician, I have really good life. I wouldn't change with anyone for nothing.
You are such an inspiration.
Thank you.
Really, truly a great inspiration. I think what people have been gaining through this experience with you is going to stay with them for the rest of their life. Truly, I think that is actually a life-changing experience. Because they're not here just on a holiday, they're here getting a true immersion in the culture. So that's really special. It's a gift.
Yeah, it is, and it's nice if you can find someone that can explain things to you. There is not, unfortunately, enough people that knows about all aspects of a culture, you know, of a music, for example. It's hard to find someone that understands that's
well,
you need to be kind of scientist.
In our case, we need someone that understands but can also communicate and be willing to communicate with a tourist, you know, with strangers coming from, you know, overseas.
And it is challenge. It's really sometimes challenge to remember the right word at the right time. It's hard. When I'm reading English, it's much easier. I understand everything. But when I need to say something, it's hard because I'm not talking so much. So that's the reason I have some problems with the words. But I try to do my best.